Welcome to the heart of the harvest, where vast fields of emerald sugarcane stretch endlessly under the first warm rays of the morning sun today. The journey of nature's sweetness begins here, amidst the rustling leaves and the fertile soil that has nurtured these tall, sturdy stalks for many months. As the day breaks, powerful harvesting machines awaken, ready to transform this sprawling landscape into a hive of industrial activity and natural bounty for us. With precision and power, the sharp blades slice through the stalks at the base, ensuring that every inch of the sugar-rich plant is successfully gathered. Watch as the mechanical giants effortlessly lift the heavy bounty, showcasing the incredible scale of modern agriculture in this vibrant and productive harvesting season. The stalks are quickly transported, filling the waiting trucks to the brim with raw potential as they prepare for the next stage of their transformation. Inside every stalk lies a treasure of sweet juice, a concentrated essence of the sun and soil, waiting to be extracted by the coming processes. The convoy of trucks sets off, kicking up clouds of golden dust as they carry the harvest from the quiet fields toward the bustling factory. There is a sense of urgency and rhythm in the air as the raw materials travel quickly to ensure the freshness of the final product. Arriving at the facility, the scale of production becomes clear, where tradition meets modern technology to create something truly extraordinary from the humble sugarcane plant. The unloading process is a spectacle of gravity, as thousands of stalks tumble down in the thunderous roar, ready to enter the sophisticated production line. Now the cleaning begins, as vibrating belts shake away the remnants of the field. They're preparing the cane for its first deep wash in the factory. Every movement is synchronized and precise, ensuring a steady flow of material into the washing station, where purity is the most important goal of all. Intense jets of water blast away every speck of dust and debris, revealing the clean, bright surface of the stalks as they pass through them. This thorough cleaning stage is vital for maintaining the high quality and natural flavor that will eventually define the final golden molasses we all love. The factory floor is a marvel of efficiency, where water and motion work together to strip away the earth and leave only the fluid cane. Emerging from the wash, the stalks are now pristine and ready, their vibrant colors showing the true quality of the raw material we have harvested. Next, high-speed saws engage, cutting the long stalks into smaller, uniform pieces to optimize the extraction of juice in the massive pressing machines ahead today. The power of the machinery is evident as it prepares the cane, breaking it down into manageable sections while preserving the integrity of the juice. These segments are the building blocks of our molasses, each one packed with the natural sugars and minerals that make our products so uniquely delicious. A brief period of drying ensures that excess surface water is removed, allowing the machines to focus purely on the rich juice held deep within. From the air, the organized flow of production looks like a rhythmic dance of industry, leading us closer to the heart of the extraction process. Quality control is constant, as advanced sensors and careful eyes ensure that only the best sections of the harvest continue on their golden journey today. The moment of extraction has arrived, as the first set of massive rollers begins to exert incredible pressure on the prepared segments of clean sugarcane. Under immense force, the stalks surrender their liquid gold, a dark and nutrient-rich juice that carries the true spirit of the entire sugarcane plant itself. From deep within the machine, the juice pours out in a steady stream, filling the trays with the raw, vibrant liquid that will become molasses. This multi-stage pressing ensures that every drop of value is captured, leaving nothing behind but the dry fibers of the processed sugarcane stalks. The natural enzymes and sugars create a frothy, lively liquid, a sign of the freshness and vitality of the ingredients being processed in the factory. What remains is the bagasse, the dry fiber that will not go to waste, as it often serves as a sustainable fuel for the facility. Efficiency is key here, as every part of the sugarcane is utilized. So, creating a closed-loop system that respects the environment and our natural resources. The juice now undergoes its first filtration, passing through delicate screens to ensure a smooth and consistent texture before it moves to the cooking phase. Clarity is achieved through precision, as the raw liquid is refined and polished, preparing it for the heat that will transform it into thick molasses. In the lab, samples are tested to ensure the sugar content and purity meet our strict standards before the evaporation and concentration process begins today. The liquid is now ready, gathered in gleaming silver tanks, waiting for the master cook to begin the delicate process of heating the tank. As the temperature rises, the air fills with the sweet, earthy aroma of cooking sugarcane, a scent that signals the start of the true magic. The simmer begins. A gentle heat that carefully evaporates the water while concentrating the natural sugars and rich minerals found deep within the cane juice. Purity is maintained by skimming the surface, ensuring that only the cleanest juice remains to be concentrated into the final, high-quality, golden molasses product. Witness the first color change as the raw green juice begins its transformation into a golden hue, marking the initial stage of its long concentration. We use advanced vacuum technology to boil the juice at lower temperatures, a secret that preserves the delicate aromas and the natural nutritional profile perfectly. Precision is everything as we monitor the heat to the exact degree, ensuring a perfect caramelization that creates a rich flavor without any burnt notes. The juice is thickening now, its viscosity increasing as the water content drops, and it begins to take on the classic texture of real molasses. The honey gold stage is reached, in a beautiful sight that shows the concentration of sweetness is well underway in these massive and efficient cooking vessels today. The bubbling becomes more intense and slow, a rhythmic pulse of heat that signals the final stages of the cooking and concentration process are near. The excess moisture escapes into the sky, leaving behind only the pure, concentrated essence of the sugarcane in our carefully controlled industrial cooking environment. Experienced hands still play a role, as masters check the flow and feel of the molasses, combining traditional wisdom with our modern industrial precision. The transformation is nearly complete as the liquid reaches a deep amber color, rich with the complex flavors that only time and heat can create. See the smooth, flawless flow of the finished product, a testament to the rigorous filtration and careful cooking that defines our high-quality manufacturing process today. Science confirms the quality, as we measure the exact density to ensure every batch of our molasses has the perfect balance of sweetness and texture. The cooking ends and the liquid gold settles, its surface reflecting the pride of our workers and the high standards of our modern production facility. Cooling is a gentle process, allowing the flavors to marry and the texture to stabilize before the molasses is ready for its final glass home. As it cools, the molasses becomes even thicker and more lustrous, a beautiful substance that looks as good as it tastes in every single drop. One final check for perfection as the liquid passes through a delicate stream, ensuring that only the smoothest molasses makes it into the final bottle. The bottling line springs to life with rows of crystal clear glass containers moving in perfect synchronization toward the filling nozzles in our sterile packaging zone. The golden liquid pours in, filling each bottle with the rich, sweet essence of the harvest, a sight that is as satisfying as it is beautiful. The viscosity of the molasses is on full display here as it flows slowly and smoothly, capturing the light in its deep, amber depths perfectly. Precision engineering ensures a clean fill every time, maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and presentation for our valued customers around the whole world. The caps are applied and sealed tightly, locking in the freshness and the incredible aroma of the freshly made molasses for you to enjoy later. In the blink of an eye, the bottles are sealed, a process of speed and accuracy that defines our modern and efficient approach to food production. Labels are applied with perfect precision, giving the product its identity and sharing the story of its origin from the vast and sunny sugarcane fields. Even the labels are checked by advanced technology, ensuring that every bottle that leaves our facility looks absolutely perfect and meets our high standards. A sea of golden glass moves forward, a beautiful sight that represents the hard work of everyone involved from the field to the finished product. Careful hands pack the harvest, ensuring that the fragile glass reaches its destination safely, carrying the sweet taste of nature to kitchens across the land. Automation assists in the final stages, as heavy boxes are stacked with ease, ready for the journey from our factory to the rest of the world. The cycle is complete as the final product is loaded, beginning its new journey to bring sweetness and joy to people everywhere on the globe. Behold the final result of our labor, a single bottle that contains months of growth and hours of careful, expert processing in our modern facility. Open a bottle and release the aroma of the fields, a scent that is both comforting and exotic, while promising a taste that is truly one of a kind. The pour is slow and elegant, a thick ribbon of dark gold that highlights the incredible quality and purity of our 100% natural sugarcane molasses. Every drop is a masterpiece of nature and science, a concentrated source of energy and flavor that has been perfected through our dedicated and precise process. The texture is perfect, providing a rich mouthfeel and a deep, complex sweetness that enhances any dish it is added to in your own kitchen. From simple snacks to complex recipes, our molasses brings a touch of natural luxury to your table, bridging the gap between the field and your home. As the sun sets on the factory, we take pride in the journey we have shared, from the first sprout of cane to this final golden drop. It is a journey of transformation, where the elements of earth, water, air, and fire come together to create something truly special and delicious for everyone today. Our name stands for quality and tradition, a promise that every bottle of our molasses is made with the utmost care and respect for nature's gifts. We thank the farmers and the workers who make this possible, bringing the spirit of the land into every home with our pure and natural product. Experience the golden essence of nature, a pure and delicious masterpiece of molasses that brings the sweetness of the earth directly to your kitchen table today.